Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue working with SwiftUI views, looking at SwiftUI views, and today we're going to look at color. Color is a view like any other, right? I don't know why this content.swift. Okay, it seems like it does not want to show. But yeah, color is a view like any other. And if you have seen my video talking about Z stacks, you know that one really good way of setting a background color is using the Z stack. You could use a Z stack to establish a color in the background, right? And that's what we're going to do first. So I can show you how you can work with color views. Canvas, and I've put my simulator to the right of my editor so that we can work from there. Okay, let's give ourselves a bit more real estate. What you could do with color is if you want to set the background of anything, you could, or the entire screen, in fact, you could just use a Z stack like that. And in the Z stack, what you could do in the Z stack is the depth stack. I've covered it in a previous video. What you could do is you could say color. Color is a view in itself, and you can treat it as a view and even give it frames and modifiers and all that stuff. So we could say color, and in the color we could say dot purple, like so. And when we run this, the entire view, give it a second, the entire view will be purple, like that. So you see, when we do that, we get a purple view. So the color will cover the entire view with whatever color you want. You could make it red. Of course, it will take a bit longer since it's on the simulator now. But yeah, you could do that. And another thing you could do is the colors, like I said, you could give them frames and modifiers and treat them like any other view, right? So for that, let's come here and give ourselves a VStack. And we give ourselves a VStack. And in the VStack, we come down and let's give ourselves a bit of spacing. We could say spacing, let's say 40, like so, and come down here, and we could have the first view. You can only have 10, remember. We could say color dot, what color do you want? Color dot red, let's say red. Red, and we want to give it a frame, this frame, and the width is going to be 100. The height is going to be 100, and we could get rid of the alignment, right? We don't care about the alignment, right? So we could get rid of that, like so. And after that, we could copy this. Let's put 4 of them. Copy. Come down here, do this. Come down here, do that. Come down here, do that. Like so. And instead of red, we're going to have the next one being pink. After pink, we could have purple, our beloved purple. After purple, we could have blue. Let's have blue, like so. And if we run this, we should see the colors appearing. And yeah, like so. So we have red, okay, pink, purple, and blue. And you could even add other modifiers, like we could give it a corner. Wait, I'll put two dots. Sorry. Let's come and say, let's give the red one a corner radius. We say corner radius, and the corner radius we could put, let's say 8, like so. And if we save it, oh, we have to restart, try it again. You will see it's slightly curved. So basically, you could treat a color just like any other view and add all the numerous modifiers like the other views, right? Okay. Another interesting thing you could do is you could mix colors, right? You could and you see here, I already mixed it. I was testing it out after looking at the documentation. What you could do is you could take the color yellow and mix it with the color blue to form green. For example, you could come here and say color dot yellow, like so, and you use the color dot multiply, and then you pass in the color dot blue, like so. If you run this, you will get the green box. No, I forgot. You will get it all green. You would have to add a frame so that you can see the box. You could say frame, like so, and we could say the width. The frame always takes the width first for some reason, 200, and the height could also be 200, like so. So if we run this, we'll get a box. So yeah, so there we get so you could mix colors with colors color dot multiply. Another common one is when you mix I'm guessing red and blue, red and blue, like so. You get the color. I'm guessing that's a shade of purple. So basically, you could also multiply colors if you so wish. Yeah, that's one thing you could do. Is we could mess around with the opacity of a color, right? So what we could do is we could come here and turn this into a Z-stack. Let's come here and turn this into a Z-stack. We get rid of the spacing, like so, and give ourselves a background, and we say the color dot blue and dot opacity, and this takes a double from all the way from 0 to 1, so we could say 0.8, like so. We save it and we run it, and we should get a shade of blue, right? Yeah, so you could have the color opacity. You could also use UI color, right? UI color from the UI kit. And to do that, for example, you would come here and say color. In this case, we could say color, and then we pass in the UI color, and we could say UI color dot green, like so. And we save it and we run it again, and we should get a shade of green. So basically, those are some of the things you could do with color. Yeah, those are some of the things you could do with color, and yeah, basically that's all there is to do with color. It's a view like any other. You can mix and match it. You can give it frames. You can put it in the background of your other view and work. You can work with it. Yeah, and remember the feature a new feature was color dot multiply. Right? I have not yet. I've seen some features in Swift 2.0, but I will look at those when they get out of beta, as I've said in other videos. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question. I will see you in the next video.